Hello, Brianna. I enjoyed reviewing your paper. Marine biology may be viewed as a simple, fun job where a person plays in the water all day. However, you expose the challenges and realities of a marine biology career. Marine biology is a difficult and demanding job that doesn't give large salaries. Because marine biology is important for a healthy planet, it should be better compensated and respected. Brianna, I think your content is really good, and I do know this is a draft, so I was not excessive in editing or commenting. I just made a few changes. In your first paragraph, you use first person, and you just can't do that in this essay. I also made a word change. Your question in your themes paragraph is a great starting point. It shows that you are being realistic as you explore a career in marine biology. Right here, I removed extra wording in your first sentence. Right here, your question about how demanding a marine biology career is very mature. I changed downpour to downpours because it was better wording. I changed the word because it was more readable. Here, you don't need to use first person, you only need to write the information you discovered. And it is excellent that you made a point about a marine biologist's salary. Even if someone loves their works, bills need to be paid, and it is often expensive to live in areas where marine biologists are employed. Right here, MLA format requires the use of the lead writer's last name and et al. I changed as a result of to because the wording was less clumsy. I changed this to MLA format. I changed your paragraph introduction because it removed first person and condensed the sentence. Here, the rubric indicates highlighting instead of text coloring. Here, many people think being a marine biologist is a simple job with just fun work in the water. But you correctly point out that it is a difficult job with many challenges. I did change some wording in this paragraph to make it more readable. Down here, your works cited needs to be in MLA 9th edition formatting. Now we're going to go to the rubric. Right here, I gave you 5 points because there are a few organization issues, but your paper is a draft, so this is expected. Here, I gave you 7 points because you used excessive use of first person, and you made a few grammar mistakes. Here, I gave you 5 points because you have MLA 9th edition format errors. Right here, I gave you 15 points because you did address all of the prompts in the instructions. Right here, I gave you 10 points because you did introduce an opposing view to your ideas. Here, I gave you 10 points because you did use all of your peer-reviewed scholarly sources. Right here, I gave you 5 points because you didn't use MLA 9th edition format for in-text citations for all paraphrased information. Down here, I gave you 10 points because you did introduce new ideas, but you just forgot to highlight it yellow. And down here, I gave you 10 points because you did suggest ideas for further study, you just need to highlight it light blue. Brianna, your paper was very informative and you made excellent points about the challenges of becoming a marine biologist. Best wishes in your chosen career.